descend into the prehistoric lagoon. You will get wet. Your safety is our top priority. Please help us to ensure this by listening to the following instructions. You must be at least 90 centimeters tall for this adventure. Children under 6 years old must be accompanied by a responsible adult. A maximum of 3 children or 1 adult and 1 child per boat. Before boarding, please secure all loose items, as once lost, these cannot be retrieved and may be lost to the lagoon. Please take care whilst boarding, as the boats do not stop moving. Once you are sat on the ride, please remain seated at all times, keeping your arms and legs inside. Strictly no rocking the boat or changing your seat position, facing forward at all times. Hold on to the handrails and brace yourselves using the foot supports. Only leave the boat once instructed to do so on the far side of the station. Wheelchair users should use the queue assist entrance located via the ride exit. What new dinosaurs will you discover on your splash-tastic adventure?